Hi, it's Deb, and I want to give you a little view of how these safe lists are a little bit different and how they work, and basically what I do when I'm going through my emails. So for now, we'll just go through the regular email, and I open up about 4 tabs, sometimes 5. If you open up too many, you may get an error from the safe list, because they have a limit on how many you can open. Let's see, we'll do one more. Now what I do is I go back, then I look at it. I'm not really interested. I see that I got credit. I close it. Now on this one, you'll notice that it's on the left hand side. I really don't like these. I prefer them in the middle just because, I don't know, my eyes go to the middle. But this will say click the food. This is the food. Now you got to be very careful, because if you click too many wrong icons, you can possibly get suspended from some safe lists. Now this one is about convert my ads, and I'm already a member, so I really don't need to look at that. This one wants you to check the world. I got my credit. I'm not interested. I close it out. This one is a number here, and you match it. Click it. I got my credits. Also, if you notice down here, it shows your clicks for the day, the credits earned for the day. I don't belong to that, and I'm not really interested right now, so I just close it out. Now, alternatively, what I tend to do is go to one of my folders. This is one of the safe lists. I like to try to get all of them done. I click it and I go back, and this is not acting correctly, but anyhow, you get the point. I just go in, Facebook Ad Blaster, that's usually junk, and I don't do anything with that. I got my credits, not interested, close it out. This, I'm not interested. I have my other businesses I'm taking care of. But basically, this is, what I do. I go down through, get them out of the way. I know I'll have credits. Now this one, you can join free or you can upgrade. I upgraded because I liked the mobile feature where you can actually get mobile tokens. Now you can't mail every day from this one, which kind of sucks, basically, is the word for it, but it's actually a good program. Now I want to go back to my let's see, this is another safe list. I try to make sure I do this every day or every other day and try to get all the emails for credits because I'm not upgraded. This anytime mailer, you can mail anytime you want as long as you have the credits, and I really like that. Okay, that's it for this one. I'll see you on the next one. Have a good day. Bye.